What's up guys, King Leon here. Today I'm back with a brand new video and today I'm going to interview my friends about the English exams. So sit back and enjoy the video. How's the cut? Fresh, right? So I'm going to start the interview now. This is Emmanuel McLean. I know you guys know him from the last video, so what do you have to say about the English exams?
The English was very good, it was nice though. I don't know the English that I should use because according to my dictionary there's no word for that English. Firstly, what we thought was coming to come didn't come in the exam. So like we all thought that we were going to fail. But later when we saw it, English is somehow common sense, people can spy, but forever the English was dope and lit. I love it. On God for the English,
okay, so that's what you have to say, right?
Yeah,
not so by you, I swear to God.
This is Lamish. So what do you have to say about the English exams?
This English paper, it was turned on us. We had live leakage and last minute it was switched. And this English on this paper that I cannot understand. Whoa, P-R-O M-U-L-G-A-T, the promulgated. I don't know what
the English were very nice.
This is not nice, no come here. You're not sober.
So that's what you have to say, right?
As I said before, for maths, I will say it again. This is bombardment to English. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. This is Sapune. So how was the English exam?
Well, actually, the English was quite bad, a bit bad, because like question was we saw the questions, we studied, but we came to the examination hall and it was a different question, so actually it was
okay, thank you. This is the boy. So how was the math exam?
Actually, the math exam, sorry, the English exam was although the question like unfair, but like it's very cool and I love it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is Mariama. So how was the English exam?
It was nice because we studied, some of us studied, and I'm happy because the examination questions leaked. But unfortunately, the questions were changed. So I'm happy for those of us that didn't have the examination questions that came before. I'm happy because we start to the examination genuinely, and I hope everybody's going to pass. That's the main thing, and I pray everybody passes.
Okay, thank you for your time. How was the English exam?
Well, the English, it was kind of nice, but it was hard, but it is nice because there was some leakage. We thought it was because that was what we studied. When we came, there were different things.
Yeah, so they switched the questions.
Okay. So it was kind of nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Well.
Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you guys next time. Peace.